Okay, hello everyone. We are now at example number 2. Okay, we will do the same thing. So these 5 examples, they show different cases. So let's see what happens here in example number 2. Okay, so let's start with substitution method. Substitution method. Okay, so we will use equation 1 again. So you can also use equation 2. So you can pick any equation you want. Just so happens that I will select equation 1 because it's simpler because x doesn't have a coefficient, so I don't have to divide both sides by anything. Okay, so x minus 2y is equal to 3. So if we add 2y to both sides, we will get 3 plus 2y, right? So this is already our x. Okay, our x. So let's say let's mark this as our third equation. Then we will substitute x to equation number 2. Okay, so let's do that. So negative 2x plus 4y is equal to 1. Oh, so why did I write 7? Okay, so it's equal to 1. Then negative 2 multiplied by x, negative 2 times 3 plus 2y plus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, so negative 6 minus 4y plus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, so what's happening here? So as you can see here, negative 4y and 4y, this will cancel out. So our y is gone. And negative 6 is equal to 1. Okay, so what's happening here? There must be something wrong here, right? So negative 6 is equal to 1. Thus, this is not true. This is a false statement. So let's try if we use another method. Let's say we use substitution, elimination method here. Say we use the elimination method. Let's see what we get. So will we get a different thing? We should get the same, right? Okay, so let's try to modify one of these equations. So if we multiply 2 to equation 1, we will get 2x minus 4y is equal to, so 2 times 3, that will be 6. So this is equation 1 multiplied by 2. And then we add it to our equation 2. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, so if we add them together, what will we get? This will be 0, right? And this will also be 0. So we get 0 is equal to 7, which is also false, right? This is false. So what we got here in the substitution method is false, and also for the second equation. So let's see what's going on here using the graphical method. So let's go to the graphical method. So as you can see here, these lines are parallel. So if they are parallel, so it means that they have the same slope, right? So if they are parallel, they have no intersection point. Therefore, there is no point that satisfies both of the equations. Therefore, we have no solution. Okay. So it's a really cool thing to see it in the graph as well. So you get you get a better intuition of these equations. Okay, so that's it. If they are parallel, then they will never have an equation solution because they don't have an intersection. So for this case, we have no solution. Okay. Okay, so that's it for example number 2, and see you in example number 3.